It was so good. Highly recommend you get your hands on this. I would not even say wait. You hear me? Because this is going to be strong. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to be talking about Red Temptation. Honey, they have a new Red Temptation winter. So we're going to get into some comparisons and my thoughts. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we talk about fragrances and body care. We sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis goes left, but just work with me, okay? Just work with me. And if you are interested in becoming a part of this family, we would love for you to join. Please subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you all. And hey, family, as I always say, you know, we are sisters, brothers, cousins, aunties, uncles, grandma, grandparents. We are family around here. And whatever you want to be in this family, that's what you're going to be. Second cousins, cousins on the cousins. Whatever you want to be, we would love for you to be a part of this family. And hey, we are going to get right into it. I know one of our family members said, you gonna review the new Temptation winter. When I looked on the ZARA site, and I'm sorry, Red Temptation, because y'all like Red Temptation, what's that? Some of y'all like, what's that? It is a fragrance from ZARA. And ZARA, you know, ZARA has fashion. ZARA has so many different things. ZARA also has perfume and fragrances for men and women. Well, Red Temptation is one of the most popular ones. It is definitely, to me, as some other reviewers have agreed, it is a dupe of MFK Baccarat 540. So it's a really affordable dupe. So if you don't want to spend your coinage, you know, we talk about saving the coins on this channel. But if you don't want to spend like $300, $400 for MFK at this point, you know, you don't have to. Get Red Temptation, and a lot of people talk about that as a dupe. Anyway, one of the family members were saying, you know, was I going to review the winter because it came on site? Well, when I looked at the site, it was like coming soon. And then it said, put your email address so you can get a notification. So did. And I feel like it was 2 days later where I got the notification saying you can purchase it. Or maybe it was a day later. It was ridiculous. I was like, well, why do we have to go through all that? Just give me the fragrance so I can put it in the cart so it can come to me so I can smell it. For my family. Okay, so this is the original Red Temptation. We've discussed before, dupe of MFK 540. Very much, this is a saffron, coriander, bitter orange, praline accord, musk, woody, amber type of fragrance. Those are the notes. Honey, this is everything. And to me, the lasting power to this, I get about 8 hours. I don't know. I mean, if you all don't, sorry.
I'm sorry. Okay?
Thank you, Ruby.
It's not okay. That was completely insincere.
Oh, you want me to mean it?
But I do. Like, it lasts to me. And it is so good. Very much a dupe. If you don't like MFK, Baccarat 540, you're not going to like this. Like, this is not probably even a review you want to even watch. Because that's what this smells like. You know. It does. But anyway, I know y'all like, sis, we want to know. What does Red Temptation Winter? Look at this packaging. Ooh, I love a good red. Where are my deltas at? I know y'all better get this just because of the packaging. But this is look at this packaging. I have cousins and families that are delta, so that's why I mentioned that. But anyway, honey, Red Temptation Winter. And actually, this kind of gives me my Gamma Sigma Sigma Service Awardee Incorporated, okay? Family, you know. Gives me same color vibes. Anyway, yeah, I told y'all go left. Okay. This packaging is so pretty. So it says, centrally comes to life as a bright jasmine bouquet. Ha! With an irresistible fruity touch. Let's talk about this. So I did wear this. I wore one on one wrist and one on the other. I'm going to tell y'all what this is, okay? This does give me vibes of the original Red Temptation. However,
but wait, there's more.
It gives me a more intense vibe. I don't know what I was about to say, but it gives me a more intense vibe. This is so good. I'm not even gonna hold you up. Get it. This is so good. If you like the original, get it. If you're like, sis, like I got the original, do I really need another? You do. I'm gonna cut you off. You do. This gives me Red Temptation Fall Winter. This is amazing. If there was an intense version, this would be it. And I say, like, this doesn't give me, like, it does smell similar, but it is different enough where spending your coins on this one won't, like, you would be like, okay. You'll be like, okay, sis. I see you. I hear what you're saying. You'll be like, I didn't mind doing that. I did not mind putting my coins on it. And then, so this one has saffron, woody, cedar, and patchouli notes in here. Honey, this is all like, this is what I want. This is who I want to be. Fall, winter. Okay? And this is not, you know, your sister like a cookie cutter cupcake. Cook a cake. This is not that. Okay? This is so sexy. This is so classy. This is sensual. This is like, I already told y'all, first date, want to get a date. This is date nights. I mean, she is pretty. Okay. It knocked me out. And I was like, and they were kind of competing with each other. They was like, nah, smell me. Nah, smell me. I was like, I want to get my life with both of them. It was so good. Highly recommend you get your hands on this. I would not even say wait. You hear me? Because this is going to be gone. You hear me? This is going to be sold out. So you might as well go ahead, put it to cart. Just like I did. Go ahead, put it to cart. Get the Winter Temptation Winter. Thank me later because it's going to be sold out just like the original was for a while. So get it now before everybody else, you know, kind of gets on it. Help yourself. Anyway, to me, comparison. I was like, I have smelt this before. I was like, what does it smell like? What vibe does this give me? If you are a fragrance lover, you're going to know this brand I'm about to throw out. Navitus. Okay, Absolutio. This is the vibe the Red Temptation Winter gives me. Period. So if you have this, let me read you some of the notes. We have top notes, almond, saffron, cinnamon. Middle notes, apple, toffee. Base notes, ambergris, oak moss, caramel, chocolate, driftwood, musk. Honey, if you got this, and this will run you about $198 or something like that, but they always have a sale. They have a good old sale. They actually have a good old sale now because they have some new fragrances out, so get on board. Like, so you can get like a 20% off or 30% off, depending on how many you get. Navitus most times has a deal. But if you have this gives me vibes of that, okay? If you do not want to spend, you're like, sis, I'm not about to spend no money, coinage on a $200 fragrance, please, and no thank you. Get you this. This is about $29, $30, something like that. Basically, a meal, a fast food meal, definitely cheaper than a restaurant meal. Honey, have you eaten out lately? Some of these bills, I'm like, we need to go grocery shopping. We need to go grocery shopping. Why does it cost this much to eat out? Another subject. Okay. Anyway, get it. I'm telling you, you all, like, this is going to be a short review because I know what you waiting on. Get it? That's my thoughts. Does it last long? It lasts the same. It was like 6-8 hours. Literally, my arms were like fighting against each other. It was like boom, boom. And it's so warm. It is so warm. It's warmer than the original Red Temptation. Like, that's why I say it gives me like fall winter vibes, because it just is like, it's like this. I can do day and spring, summer. So this is my day, spring, summer one, right? If I want to wear night, fall, winter, it's my night, fall, winter. Like, it is so good. Does it give you the same smell vibes? Yes, but it's a difference. It is a difference. And I don't know if that patchouli and that cedar in there gives it the difference from the original Red Temptation, but there is a difference. I promise you there is a difference. And I promise you it is warm, sexual, a little sweet, not sweet baby tooth, like sour sweet, but it gives you a hint of sweetness. You will not be disappointed. Again, you have to like the Baccarat 540 vibes to even like it. So let's start there. Family, do you like that fragrance? Have you gotten your nose on that? If you don't like it, then bypass this entire review altogether.
Oh, no. 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 No, 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 no.
So, those are my thoughts. There is not much to say, but to get it. Highly recommend. Those are my thoughts. Hope you join me on the Red Temptation train. But, family, until next time, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to hear your thoughts. Have you picked it up? Do you plan on picking it up? What are your thoughts about Red Temptation? Let's get into it. Let's chat it up. Would love to know, okay? Until next time, you be good to yourself. Give yourself grace. And if no one has told you that you're more than enough, yo sis just did, all right? Love you, family. Until next time. Bye, family.